Imagine yourself in this 2014 Ford Edge Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: all-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, chrome wheels, rear defrost, privacy glass, rear spoiler and power door locks. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.